Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the iPhone to your laptop with a data cable. This is crucial because some cables only charge. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust so the computer can access your media. On the laptop, make sure you have current OS updates and enough free storage to receive the files. This avoids transfer failures. If using a Windows machine, install iTunes or drivers if prompted. Now you're ready to open the Photos Import tool on your computer. On a Mac, open Photos or Image Capture to view thumbnails and import selected albums. Image Capture gives folder control. On Windows, open File Explorer, locate Apple iPhone, then navigate DSIM to drag folders or specific files. For many videos or high-res photos, import in batches so transfers complete reliably. Doing everything at once often times out. If you prefer, use iCloud Photos to sync wirelessly, sign in on both devices, and wait for full download. Make choices now: selective import or full library. After the transfer, verify a sample of photos and videos open properly and that timestamps are intact. This confirms a clean copy. If files are missing, disconnect and reconnect the cable, re-unlock the phone and re-tap Trust, then retry the import. For compatibility issues, note iPhone uses hike/hevc. Convert problematic files using Photos Export or a converter app. Finally, back up the new library to an external drive or cloud so you don't repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.